Hello guys, myself Saurabh Kaushik, and here I'm gonna give you some tips regarding the intraday. And this tips is basically I'm just taking the help of three things. One is NSE website, one is Demat account, one is Google Finance. And here I will give you the tips how to predict which intraday stock will give you more returns by checking the intraday chart. So here first of all, when you are entering into a stock market, the one of the best time is 9:30 to 10:30 morning. 9:30 to 10:30, it's a better time to enter. But for my suggestion, what I am telling you is that you better do analysis 9:30 to 10:30 which stock is moving in a green signal and what is the movement of the NSE Nifty should be above green, and it should not touch the red. It should not touch the red below last year below point. It should be above the green target, green signal. And then only after 10:30 to 11 o'clock you better see the intraday chart where which stock is moving at high and giving more changes, high returns and more changes, where you can book more profit. So here what I'm telling you is that when you are entering in the stock market, go to the NSE website. In that live market, go to the equity stock, and here you can see the various stock in the, like first I have selected CNX Nifty, and you can check the various stock which has given more returns. So in that, better you check which stock is moving in the degree of 45. This is intraday chart, this is 1 year chart, this is 1 monthly chart. If you are a long term investor, you can predict which chart is moving at 45 degree inclination, can give more return in coming next year. This is 30-day chart, which chart can give more return within if you are a medium term investor. This chart is very useful. And if most people are preferring intraday because there is more risk but there is more profit. If you got profit, you will get more profit, and better to play intraday based on margin trading is good for intraday, because here you need to pay only 1%, 2% of the value of the stock, and you can play the intraday. So while jumping into the stock intraday, first open the NSE site around you just keep watching around 9:30 to 10:30 where this Nifty should not be below red, it should be above green. Then it is better to play intraday trading. And other also I will give you tips when the Nifty is in red, then how you can play the option. So first you open the CNX Nifty and you can see the top gainers. So in that, better you take the top 5 after 10:30 to 11 o'clock. Take top 5, and in that which one is showing the 45 degree inclination. Here you can see this Bank of Baroda is not giving the 45 degree inclination. It was below in initial time, then after that it raised and it was stable. Vedel also is similar to 45 but it's not giving accuracy. SBIN is also given, but here the value of the stock is less. Better do play intraday where the value of the stock is more than 4 digit, like Ultratech, Hero Moto. These two stock is predicting the 45 degree inclination. Here we will go first Ultratech Cement. So once you enter in the Google Finance Ultratech, where go here, and in that you just use in the Google Finance this go to the setting and click on the candlestick. So here you can get to know the candlestick here, and in that go to the 2-minute chart. So this is the better way to play the intraday. And in the technical, please select the MACDA technical. In that is automatically take 12 as a short period, 26 long period, 9 KDJ indicator 20, relative strength 20 period, Bollinger 20. So after you can see here what I have told you. If you see in the initial state 10:30 it was showing a 45-degree inclination. And another thing is that always prefer Bollinger Bands technically, because this is one of the most useful. And if you see in the Bollinger Band, the stock was we consider the candlestick was in between the middle line of the Bollinger, and it has never touched the red line. It's slightly, you can see it was nearly closely to the Bollinger. It is a better way to do intraday trading in this type of stock. And if you have entered around 10:30 or 10:40, so for example if you have bought at 2752, so and if you have checked in the ahead of the time, it has touched the higher of 2485, 2752 and 2485, around 100, over 100 points has been increased. So you have bought of 500 share, you can just predict you might have won 50,000 rupees just doing a margin. It's better to play margin ICICI. Go to the margin and you can take, if you need to see, go to the stock list and type here euro, sorry, so in that is the margin trading. And if you see next, Ultratech Cement Iron, Hero MotoCorp. Now we are going in Hero MotoCorp. In that I have selected the 2 minute. Here I also see that it's also showing the 45-degree inclination at 10:30. So if you see this line, no, this similarly line we can see here on 10:30. If the stock is showing cleanly nearly marginally towards the 45 degrees, better to just jump on that stock. And if you have jumped around 10:40, around 2375, and if you have see 2375, you would have closed it around around 40 points, 20,000 rupees profit you would have gained. So this is a better way to predict the intraday stock. Better just always see here advance should be more than 45 or 40, better to enter in the stock there, because if the advance is 30 and decline is 20, there is a chance that stock might go drag down by the sellers. So if the advance is more, then you can predict there are more buyers than sellers. So there is a 95% chance to gain in the intraday, compared to there is a less risk. If the other side, if there is less advance and more declines, see the reverse trend, like reverse of the 45 degree. To do option trading, you can predict the reverse of the 45 degree, like this Hindustan Lever. It should show the reverse of the 45 degree angle. So in that you can do the option trading, and it's here there you have need to buy the stock in the per lots, and you can gain that more profit. In that you need to assure that there is less advance and more decline, and Nifty should be in the red, then you can play the option. If it is the reverse, then you need to see more advance. Here you just always check in these 4 broad indices which of the stock is showing the 45 degree. In Junior Nifty you can see Apollo Hospital is almost showing the 45 degree. Canara Bank is not, Aro Pharma is also showing. If you can check my prediction, if you have gone to Apollo Hospital, you can check the stock is always above the middle level. Bollinger, always select this tool. This tool will give you more confidence that you can make more profit in the intraday. So this is the one of the best tool, Bollinger Bands. And RSI, you keep on seeing the RSI is always above 50. You can check like till 10:30 the RSI was above 50. So it's a better way to do it. And in that NMA CD is always above this MACD lines, blue color should be above the red line EMA. Then you can predict, you will have a confidence that you can play intraday. Then if you have entered here 1299 and sure 100% you might have gone to profit over 50 500 stock. If you had bought almost, you have gained around 25,000 20,000 you might have earned in intraday. Next stock we need to see this, go and see Apollo Hospital, Auro Pharma. I have told you Aurobindo Pharma. In that also you can check this stock which is above the middle line of the Bollinger. It is a better way. Don't always depend on the EMA line. Exponential, always prefer Bollinger. Bollinger is a more accuracy than EMA. If you have entered here 1340, you might have booked profit around a stock based here at afternoon. You might have booked around 20 points, so almost 10,000 rupees. So always better see the 45 degree in LIX 15. Also you can check which is showing the Tata Motors is showing almost 45 degree. Here you can check, here there is more volatility, stock is used to going down. If you have entered around 520, you might have again at least profit at 525 5 points. After later day it has touched 529, so 530 10 points you can buy more stock, like thousands lot you can buy and you can gain 10,000 rupees. But Tata Motor is almost showing nearly to 45 degree, but it is below 45. Better see the stock which is showing 45 degree. This stock is not showing, is going higher than, it's always stable at some period of time. You can see the stock. If you are interested option in LIX 15, you might have booked the profit also. And Nifty mid cap also you can check here which stock is showing. You see Canara Bank is also showing nearly, but initial time it may not show you 45 degree, but after later of the time, if you have entered after 12 or 2 o'clock, you might have gain a profit. This here you can see the top 5 stock is not showing almost 45 degree. So better always search any 1 or 2 stock which is showing 45 degree inclination, and always it should not be more volatility among the stock, like up and down should not be there. Better see the stock which is going in a straight line in a 45 degree, and always invest in this kind of stock itself. And this is a tips, and always you can do option trading, and always use Google Finance. Is one of the best tool I'm telling Google has given to us. And also when you're investing in stock, always check whether all stock Tata Motors, all automobile stock should be in the green, less stock should be a red. Because what generally happen, if this stock is showing 45 degree inclination and all of the stock is a red color, there might be possibility that after 10-20 minutes the stock may fell down due to market pressure, due to more sellers. So always see the other competitors what is the share, and they should be in the green, and more green should be there and compared to red buyers. Then only you can play intraday. And always learn about the Bollinger Bands, MACDA in the Google in the Google search, Wikipedia. This will help you in long-term investment also, how to predict the flow of the movement of the stock, what I have teaching you. And please like my video, and any comment and any other you need to learn about the intraday and about the technical charts, please share, and surely I will just prepare, I will make a video and show to you.